Welcome to Daily Talk Booster. In today's video, listen to a real-life conversation between Jack and Mac about pollution in their city. You'll also learn useful phrasal verbs with meanings to boost your English naturally. Scene 1, at a park bench.
Hey, Mac. Have you noticed how bad the air has become lately?
Yes, it's getting worse day by day. The pollution level has really gone up.
I agree. Every time I step out, I feel like I'm breathing in smoke.
Same here. I think it's high time the government cracked down on illegal factories.
Scene 2, walking along the road.
You're right. There are too many vehicles on the road. They really add to the pollution.
Exactly, and people don't care. They just throw away plastic wherever they like.
That's true. We need to cut down on plastic use and switch to eco-friendly options.
Scene 3, at a juice shop.
By the way, our school is planning a cleanup drive next week. Want to join in?
Sure, I'd love to. We need to spread awareness and motivate others too.
Absolutely. If we carry on ignoring this problem, it'll get out of hand.
Go up, बढ़ना, increase. Crack down on, सख्ती करना, take strict action. Add to, जोड़ना, increase the amount. Throw away, फेंकना, discard. Cut down on, कम करना, reduce. Join in, शामिल होना, participate. Carry on, जारी रखना, continue. Thanks for watching Daily Talk Booster. Did you enjoy this conversation? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English practice. Watch the next video to keep learning and growing. Boost your English, one conversation at a time.